Hi everybody, this is Ron at Lorusso Gardens. In this video I'm going to show you how to make zucchini breadsticks. It's pretty simple. First thing you're going to need is a cheese grater. You're going to grate about 4 to 5 of these. It makes about 4 cups of shredded zucchini. Then you're going to want to add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. I want to sprinkle in a little garlic powder. I like heat. I add a little sprinkle of some cayenne pepper. Then I add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of mozzarella shredded. And you mix it all up until it looks like this. From there, you need a baking sheet. Put some parchment paper down, and then spread it all out evenly, like this. Okay, once you get it all flattened out and looking like that, you want to set your oven to 350, and you're going to put in there for 1 hour. Okay, it's been 1 hour. And here it is. So from here, you want to sprinkle grated, I'm going to use a pizza blend. Put that on top. Once I get that cheese all evenly spread out, I take a little bit of grated Parmesan, put some of that on there. Then I put a little bit more garlic powder on top, and a little bit more Italian seasoning. Then you put it back in the oven for 15 minutes. Just watch the cheese. Another thing is, in the cook time, every oven is different, so check it about 45 minutes in. Here we go, 15 minutes later. There we have it. Cheesy zucchini breadsticks. And give it a minute. I'm going to slice them up with this and show you how it came out. I want to let it cool a little bit. I slice it up just to show you what it looks like underneath. Breadsticks. Add that with a nice salad. And that's dinner. The total carbs and sugar for this is 13 grams. So it's pretty keto friendly. The sauce I'm using is this. This has about the same amount and a half cup of carbs and sugars as this whole thing. So if you don't go crazy on the sauce, it's keto friendly. I can promise you the recipes are way better than my video quality. Enjoy.